Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing a mani using Tough Girls Gel Nail Polish Kit. Isn't the packaging so pretty on here? I'm loving the country vintage vibe. And on the back of the box it has a little bit of information on who the company is and all the products that are included in this gel mani kit. So let's dive into the box here. And the first thing in the box is a whole bunch of nail cleansing wipes, which I really like that they include that in here. And then we have some files and then an orange stick in here as well. And I'm really loving the actual informational card in here. I think it's really user-friendly and beginner-friendly. It takes you step by step on how to achieve that perfect mani. And then here are all the colors. And it comes with a base coat, a matte top coat, and a glossy gel top coat. And I can already tell I'm going to love this brush on here. For some reason, I really like how the clear brushes apply versus like the black brushes. I don't know, it just might be me, but that is my preference. And here are all the beautiful colors, and I really like how the packaging has a little color dot on the top, and it actually looks like the color in the bottle, which I think is awesome because I have a lot of these from other companies, and the sticker or the swatch circle inside the cap does not look anything like the color in the jar. And look at that, isn't that so pretty and so vibrant and creamy? Oh, I just love it. And the colors you're seeing here are from Color Combo Kit number 3. Now there are 6 different gel kits with different colors in them. So I really like how all the kits have colors that would look great together or even as like a trio combo, which you'll see here in a second. That's how I did my mani. I picked 3 colors from the collection, but all these colors really fit good together. So you're not just going to have, you know, matchy colors. You're going to have colors that really complement each other nicely. And then look at that. It's just the perfect peachy color here too. That would be great for summer too, that coral color. And then the last color here, it's like a wine color, number 13. So the colors don't have any names on them. They have number system, which I like that about them as well. And here is all the colors here swatched. Aren't they gorgeous? So pretty. And that sparkle. Gorgeous. And then here are the 3 colors that we're going to be using for today's mani. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani, and I'll pop back in shortly.
All I want
Alright, so we're just finishing up the mani here. I just wanted to tell you about a fun sale that's happening over at Tough Girls right now on their website. They are having a Summer Fun 2022 sale, so everything on their website is 22% off, and that is site-wide. That is excluding their subscriptions, but the sale is good till June 30th of 2022. So if you've been eyeing up any of the gel polish kits or the dip powder kits or the nail strips, now's the time to go over there and stock up on everything that you wanted to try, because that sale is a really good deal. So just finishing up that mani here, we're going in with the top coat. We're going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to go in with my cuticle oil. And I really liked how this mani turned out. I really liked how the gel polish is applied. So if you've been eyeing up anything from Tough Girls, like I said, now's your time to go check them out. And as the Tough Girl website likes to say, stay smart, stay strong, stay beautiful, and stay tough. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.